Hair fall is a common problem in today's life and it affects both male and female. And we spend time and money to prevent this. But the shampoos, conditioners, and other hair masks, hair oils, hair tonics claiming that they are very effective, but actually they consist of harmful chemicals which are very harsh to the scalp and unhealthy, leads to weak the roots of hair and a severe hair fall starts, which seems endless. Here in this video, I'll reveal one of the best natural way to prevent hair fall and baldness. Due to the lack of nourishment, unhealthy hair leads to the baldness, which affects person's appearance and reduces self-esteem and self-confidence. Restolin supplement consists of 100% natural herbal extracts like turmeric, olive oil, green tea, Japanese mushroom mixture extracts, and so many other herbs. Restolin capsule cause no side effect because it does not contain any toxin, harmful chemical, or any addictive component. It is FDA approved and manufactured in USA. Restolin works on targeted location of the scalp and works on unclogging the hair follicle and sebum gland, which is responsible for overall scalp nourishment, thus improves hair quality and volume too. Restolin results are amazing as natural herbal extracts like olive oil, green tea, garlic, and other herbs used to formulate the capsules. Its intake for 2-3 months gives amazing results. To order Restolin, the official website link is in the description as it is not available elsewhere. If you think this video provided any value, do subscribe this channel. Thank you.